In this video, we will learn how to get a link of a cell in Google Sheet. So let's start. I open here my Google Sheet and here I am going to share the link of particular cell. So I select here the one cell. So I want to highlight the 32,000 to other person. So I select the cell. Okay, I select the one cell only and right click of the mouse and here they click on the view more cell action, then click on the get link to this cell. So selected cell, you get the link of this cell. Just click on it and here you see the link copied to the clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere. You can share this link to any other person also. So I paste in the new tab and here Control V to paste this and just press the enter key of the keyboard and you can see the Google Sheet open and only the particular cell is highlighted and selected showing here. So this is a helpful when you want to share the Google Sheet to any other person and want to highlight the particular cell, particular amount. So you can share the link so this way. Okay, select that cell and share, get the link from that cell and you can share the link to the other person. Then other person will open their browser and check that link, and when they open the Google Sheet on that browser, you can see the highlighted cell is showing them also. Okay, so this is a way you can share the get share the link of particular cell also in Google Sheet. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.